Hi, I'm Ashley, and I'm part of a team that is working towards improving the cleanliness of rivers around Singapore. Through conducting physical research and interviews, it is evident that the rivers around Singapore are contaminated by floating debris, which affects the surface water quality and creates a low perception of cleanliness along the rivers.
For our hardware, we have 4 main subsystems. Firstly, we have the debris collection subsystem, where it includes a removable containment unit, which is used to filter and store floating debris while the vessel maneuvers. Secondly, we have the hull subsystems, where it includes the PVC pipes as flotation devices and a polycarbonate deck to mount all the necessary components on. Thirdly, we have the propulsion subsystems, where it includes the 4 bilge pump which drives the vessel. Lastly, we have the electronic subsystems, where it includes the power source of the vessel, the remote controller to steer the vessel, and also the microcontroller and drivers to engage the propulsion subsystems on board.
For our electronics, our main microcontroller will be the Arduino Mega, and connected to it, we have our motor drivers to power our 4 bilge pump, with appropriate step-down buck converters to supply the necessary voltage from our LiPo battery. We also have 2 XV modules, one connected to the Arduino Mega on the vessel, and another connected to a separate Arduino Mega on the controller side, to send wireless signals to maneuver the vessel.
For our prototype testing, we managed to test the vessel in the hydraulics lab to simulate the river conditions. We did 3 tests to evaluate the performance of our vessel. The first test would be how fast the vessel is able to travel in a given distance. The second test would be how much floating debris it is able to clear in a given area and time. And for the last test would be to check if it is able to complement existing solutions that have been implemented.
Aligning with Singapore's goal of creating a clean and green space, we hope to implement our solution into the environmental sector to curb the labour-intensive aspect and bridge the gap of what the system lacks.